Hello, today I have a 2014 Cadillac CTS 2.0 liter turbo engine, and customer says that something weird happened with the brake. Sometime when he hit the brake is fine, and sometime he felt like he lose the brake, or sometime he have to step on the brake pedal all the way down, trying to stop it. Sometimes it stops, sometimes like stop slowly. So I checked the fluid is good, the brake pads and rotor is good, there is no leaks. So the only thing I was thinking about is the vacuum pump, which in the back of the engine on the driver's side right here. Got it off. Is the three 10mm bolt, one here, one there, and one down here, this one. And look what I found. It looks okay, but look at this. It cracked 2 pieces. So that's what happened. It sometimes it like weld itself together and keep it going. Sometimes it cracked, and that's why it stuck and couldn't stop it, because this vacuum is going to the booster right here, and that's why you couldn't stop it. So I'm going to replace that. Let me show you the bar number. I just ordered CTS. This is the bar. Oh, not this one, sorry. This is the part number right here. It's a vacuum pump, AC Delco. This is the part number. 2014 CTS, $111. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.